We're going to talk about a brand new paper pad, a coffee hop, and a sale. Today we are releasing a brand new paper pad called Nurse Fuel. I'm going to share this with you and the cards I created. There is a spring summer coffee lovers blog hop going on right now. If you head on over to our blog, you can enter for a chance to win a $25 gift certificate to the shop. All you have to do is leave a comment in the blog post, and then you can also unlock extra entries by following a few steps. You can hop on over to the next person on the hop for a chance to win another prize. So there's many sponsors on this hop. You'll get lots of coffee inspiration for your card making. The winners will be shared on the Coffee Lovers Card Making Group's blog. So this is a retailer's traditional hop. So for this hop, you don't make any cards and link them up. You just hop from each blog to each blog. So let's share this brand new paper pad and a juicy coupon code. So for the duration of the coffee hop, I have a coupon, Spring Coffee 15. You can save 15% off over at Not Too Shabby Shop. That coupon will expire on March 22nd. It does not include subscription items, but you can use it on all other products. So you can pick up this awesome new paper pad for 15% off. This is called Nurse Fuel. This paper will make some great cards for your nurse friends, as well as like get well cards. So let me bring this closer so you can see the designs. We've got a cluster here of really cute coffee. It's all decorated with medical equipment. And then on the cup it says Nurse Fuel. The sheet has hearts. There's little polka dots in the background. And this paper pad is really cute. So in this paper pad, Teresa added some sentiments. So we can cut these out and then make our cards. So we don't even need a stamp set to make this these cards. So these 3 cards here, I used images that are inside the paper pad and the sentiments. And I just trimmed them out with my trimmer. And then I have them all ready to go. You can also cut them out with a little square die if you have something like that. Let's go ahead and read these sentiments. So we've got some really fun, snarky sentiments. I'm a nurse. What's your superpower? Nurses, we can't fix stupid, but we can sedate it. Educated drug dealer, nurse life. Nurses call the shots. Sleep all day, nurse all night. Nurse fixing cuts and sticking butts. First I drink the coffee, then I save the lives. Nurse, and then there's the definition, a scrub-wearing, smile-bringing, life-saving rock star who lives to heal and loves to encourage. They're kind of a big deal. And then we've got I stab people for a living. Really, really fun. So we have this sheet here. So these are the cutouts. So you can just cut these out with your scissors or run them through a electronic cutting machine like a Brother Scan and Cut. Really, really super fun. So these are the other 2 images that I have left over from when I did my cards here. So there's a solid on the back. Just really, really cute. This is going to make some great cards for donations. All right, so I'm going to bring these cards up closer. So here is the first one. I've got this heart popped up, the shot popped up, and then this one flat next to my coffee that says Nurse Fuel. I added some ribbon on this card, and then the sentiment, nurses, we can't fix stupid, but we can sedate it. So really fun. And then this one I did more simple. I just added the sentiment with one image right at the end, kind of like it's continuing, and then the polka dot ribbon. And that one is that little definition sentiment. And then this one, for the enamel dots, I used the Brewing It Up collection. This red in here matches the paper perfectly. And then this one says, first I drink the coffee, then I save the lives. And then look how fun the image is. I think whoever you give these to will get a kick out of your card. I think it's going to be really, really fun to send out. So that's available. I did restock the Sunflower Bees paper pad, a really beautiful paper pad. So this paper pad here, Sunflower Bees, is now back in stock. This one is such a popular paper pad. It's gorgeous. Beautiful sunflowers, the bumblebees. Just the prints in here are stunning. I love this paper pad. So that one is back in stock. And then I also restocked the Best Shoes. This one, I have 2 listings. One is a bundle, which comes with the coordinating die to cut out the images inside this paper pad. And then the other listing is just the paper pad. So if you want to grab extra, because you have the die, there's these beautiful cutouts inside the paper pad that you can use your die on. There's 4 in the paper pad. Really, really cute. And that girl in there is the same girl from our logo. She is so cute. And then also the Lemons and Lavender paper pad. This one is gorgeous. This one always goes out of stock, so I'm always restocking this one. And I just added some more to inventory. It's got some lemons in here that you can also cut out. So there's images in here as well. Beautiful yellow and purple. Here's the cutouts. Make beautiful cards with this. So pretty. And this paper pad, you got 12 of, so you get 2 of each design in this paper pad. So you get more designs in this paper pad. 24 double-sided sheets. So thanks for stopping by, guys. I hope you enjoy the Coffee Lovers blog hop. I'll have the links in the description box for you. Head on over and hop for your chance to win many, many prizes. Thank you, guys, and I will see you soon. Bye, guys.